In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your PDF file on Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether your PDF is already open or you prefer using your computer's file manager, I'll walk you through both simple methods and share a few helpful tips along the way, so you can avoid common hiccups. First, let's look at renaming while the PDF is open in Adobe Acrobat Reader. With your file on screen, go to the top menu and click File. From the drop-down, choose Save As. In some versions you might see Save as Other, which works the same way. A window will pop up asking where you want to save the file and what you want to call it. Choose a location that makes sense for your project. Then enter a clear descriptive new name. Aim for something you'll recognize later, like a brief title plus a date or version. Before you click Save, make sure the PDF extension stays in place. You are renaming the file, not changing its type. This method creates a new copy under the new name. If you save it to the same folder with the same name as an existing file, you may be asked to replace it. So double-check you are keeping the version you want. Now, let's cover the recommended desktop method using your computer's file manager. Start by closing the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is important because a file that's still open might not let you rename it. Next, open your file manager, Windows File Explorer or Mac Finder, and navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Find the file, right-click it, and select Rename. On Windows, you can also press F2 as a shortcut. Type the new name, again keeping the .pdf extension intact. And press Enter to confirm. If your file is synced to a cloud service, give it a moment to update the name everywhere. If you receive a warning that the file is in use, make sure it's fully closed in any app and try again. That's it. Thanks for watching.